Banana Skin Brightening Cream 200-year-old formula, anti-aging. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Have you ever woken up in the morning and looked in the mirror and suddenly noticed dark spots on your face, making your skin look dull, making you feel uncomfortable and losing confidence? Today, I will help you remove dark spots in just 1 minute. Can you believe it? Banana peels, something most of us throw away, can become a miracle drug that helps to erase dark spots and brown spots on the skin with surprising effectiveness. Not only that, it also helps reduce wrinkles and fades expression lines, giving you smoother, younger-looking skin every day. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Peel the banana, take the peel. Cut the peel into small pieces. Banana peels contain proline, an essential amino acid for collagen production in the body. It also contains vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin. QWE will take a potato, peel it. Then chop it. Potatoes contain enzymes such as tyrosinase, which inhibits the production of melanin, the pigment that gives color to the skin. We cut the potato into small pieces. Put the banana peel and potato in a pot. Add 230 milliliters of water. I would love for you to share in the comments where you are from and what other recipes you would like me to share. Put the pot on low heat and bring to a boil. The vitamins and minerals in the banana peel and potato will help brighten the skin. They remove age spots and help reduce wrinkles. When the potatoes can be mashed with a spoon, turn off the heat. Now put them in the blender. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Let's blend them all. I would love for you to try this cream and then come back and tell me the results. We mix it well until it's smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. And the base for the cream is ready. We will prepare 2 creams with different combinations of ingredients. You can choose the one you like, or do both to see which one works better for you. For the first cream, we will use 1 teaspoon of almond oil. The citric acid in lemon juice has a gentle exfoliating effect, removing dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, helping new tissue, including collagen, to regenerate more easily. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 full teaspoon of cornstarch. Then mix the mixture well. Apply to hands, face, neck, and chest area. Apply a sufficient amount. Leave for 20 minutes. Then rinse the skin with warm water. Repeat this formula 2 times a week, and your skin will become brighter, smoother, and look younger. For the remaining part, we will add 1 teaspoon of argan oil, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, can be the kind sold or extracted from the plant. Mix everything well. Apply this cream to the face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. You can use it at least 3 times a week. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with anyone you want. Remember to do an allergy test before using. Apply to a small area of skin and wait 30 minutes. The results will surprise you after a period of use. Store in the refrigerator for 1 week. Method 2. Prepare 1 ripe banana peel. Wash your face and hands thoroughly with warm water to open the pores. Use the inside of the banana peel to gently rub the pigmented skin area for 3 to 5 minutes. Leave the nutrients on the skin for about 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Banana peel is rich in vitamins C, E, B6, and antioxidants that help brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and keep the skin smooth. Do this 2 to 3 times a week regularly. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Remember to apply sunscreen during the day to prevent the pigmentation from returning. Persist for at least 4 to 6 weeks to see a clear change. Thank you very much for your support. The video ends here. If you find the video interesting, please like and share it with your relatives and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.